All right, so now we're going to move into investigation 3, which is extend the number line. As you can see, there are 10 mastery points. Hold on. Okay, the good news is about extending the number line. These skills, although there's 10 of them, they're kind of simple. So let's start with locate a rational number and its opposite on the number line. So a lot of this is very similar to the ST math that Rodney and other people were working on when you have to find the opposite of what they're asking. This symbol means that I think animation. Don't know if the animation is going to work. Let's see. Play in English. I don't know if I have a pop-up that's making this not play or what. I need to call Chris Straw, the representative, and tell them that these animations are working. Anywho, so basically it says graph 8.5. So I need to find, first off, what my scale is. If it's 1, 2 hops to get to 1, that means this is probably a scale that goes every half. So 1 half, 2 halves, which is 1 whole. Then we have 1.5, 2.
Are you presenting?
2.5, 3. All right, so it's by halves. So I need to find 8.5. It says graph 8.5. So that is here. Oh, I gotta drag it over there. Get over here. Okay, now it says graph the opposite of 8.5. So now the opposite of 8.5 is negative 8.5, which is here. It's between -8 and -9. So basically that's what that's about. So hopefully that mastery point is easy for you to get. Locate. Remember to do the mastery point, you have to do the quiz me. There are 3 questions. You have to get 80% or higher. All right, let's take a look at the next indicator or objective, sorry. Next objective says find the opposite of a rational number. Let's look at what these are about. Find the opposite of the number -4.2. The opposite of -4.2 is, it says type in a decimal. Will it be positive 4.2? Ta-da! All right, so we can do the next little objective. Find the absolute value of a rational number. Next objective. Let me look at the video because I don't know what an absolute value is. I'm teasing. I know what it is, but you guys probably don't know what it is. So let's find out what an absolute value is. I'm going to play the video. So then I would watch the video.
Let's solve these 2 absolute value problems. Absolute value of 5.
All right, so once we get done with the first few objectives, remember you need these mastery points. In order to get it, you have to click on the quiz me. All right, this one has 3 questions. You need 80% or higher. Let's look at the next quiz me. Find the absolute value. It has 1 question. Ooh, that should be easy to get 80% or higher. You only got 1 question. Now, absolute value, if you watch the video and you still don't know what's going on, guess what? There's another thing to help you. Down here where it says Freyr model Jamboard, you have 3 vocabulary resources. Okay? First one is your glossary. It's through Savas Realize on Pearson EasyBridge. I have a link here. If the link doesn't work, then go to Pearson EasyBridge, click on Savas Realize, and click on it. But absolute value is the first vocabulary word. So it says the absolute value. Anybody want to read this? So it literally means the distance from zero. So whether you're dealing with a negative number or a positive number, what the absolute value is describing is the distance from zero. So the absolute value of -3 is 3. The absolute value of 3 is 3. It's describing the distance from zero. It's always going to be positive. Distance is always positive. There's another vocabulary card. Like if I normally have you guys in here and I have a vocabulary wall, absolute value is one of the words. It's the first word here. It even shows you the absolute value of -5 is 5, the distance from zero. Yeah, so I'm going to give you guys some time to do your study plan. Don't let this stuff pile up. It's 10 mastery points, but it seems like you can fly through them very quickly.